The ball mount is secured using a high-torque pneumatic wrench. This allows for full 360-degree rotation.
With the central differential mounted and laser aligned, the system is tested, showcasing the seamless transfer of power across the 8x8 chassis.
The internal air lines are connected to the wheel hubs. This high-pressure system allows the driver to inflate and deflate the tires from the cockpit.
Easy now.
Watch the manifold on the right.
All right, set it down. Looks good.
The internal fuel tanks, featuring a self-sealing black coating, are secured with heavy-duty straps. The final step. Proper lubrication is critical. As the turret seats, the blue lithium grease ensures the massive bearing rotates with effortless momentum.
Cables are secure. Ready light is green. Okay, initiating movement test now. Traversing right.
The tactical reticle is projected onto the calibration grid. As the sight pans, the reticle tracks the laser dot.
Radio check. Testing R173 system functionality. Transmitting on primary.
quality stamp confirmed. This vehicle is approved for service.
Proper lubrication of the side door hinge is critical. As you can see, the lower door forms a sturdy step for troop entry and exit. Once secured, the energy-absorbing seats undergo a dampening test. They are designed to protect the soldiers' spines from blasts.
We'll take the high road, sweep past the LZ, and establish the observation post at this junction. Sync your tabs with the mission parameters now.
Ammunition secure. IR searchlight check complete. Confirmed. All systems green. Starting engine. Staying clear. Hold the tension steady. Copy that. Increasing power now. Watch the cable on the left.
This hot wash procedure is essential. As the cleaning fluid is drawn in, it flushes out salt and dust, restoring the engine's efficiency.
All right, pull it free. Get the spare. Rolling in the new one into position. Impact ready. Lift engaged. Missile secure. Umbilical connected. Pin pulled. Ordnance secure. All clear.
Let's review the patrol data. Any significant observations to report?
Sector 4 appears clear, Captain. Telemetry confirms.
The technician checks the small static dissipators on the radio antennas. These prevent lightning strikes and electrical interference during flight.
Watch the seal pressure. Send it down. Engaged. Hitting the first bolt now.
The protective shroud of the 30mm cannon is replaced. This ensures the gun remains protected from the elements.
Get that off. Rolling it out. Bring the new one in. Lift. All right, masks on, vest secure, maintain an orderly line, and assist the man in front of you as we egress the hatch.
The Boomerang upgrades are showing significant aerodynamic improvements over the BTR platform.
That airflow is perfectly smooth.